this is my little area. And as you can see, I'm behind on my leaves. Some trees have fallen. Everything is just a mess. You can't even see the patio. Just junk piled up everywhere. Check out my outhouse. Is that not cool? Anyway, got a lot of work to do. A little history out here. These were my potato making pots that didn't do anything. Don't try it, waste your time. But these benches here, they came off the sidewalk of Greensboro. And so made a little area. That's an old chair that belonged to a family of a friend of mine. And of course, my stack of bricks. Got a lot more bricks. That's a pomegranate tree. It's beautiful. And then over here, you can tell where the dog walks, that's for sure. More bricks. A magnolia tree. Been babying it. Tristan's little clubhouse. Needs a little work on it too. He had a lot of fun in that back in the day. There's Billie Jean. Come here. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? She's got something. My little tin man. He's lost 3 of his buttons. Dragonflies. Got stuff hanging in the trees. Anyway, so this is my mess today. Wish me luck. I'll show you what it looks like, I guess, when I quit, wherever I'm at. Okay, talk to you guys later. This is my job for today. What a mess, right? Okay, see you later. Now, how am I going to get anything done? Who wants the rake? No, you can't have the rake. What is wrong with you? Billie Jean. We're going the wrong way. Crazy dog. Now how am I going to get some work done? You look, give me that. Okay, who is hindering my work? What was that? Ew. Don't drink that. Well, finally got the area cleaned up. Got a few little places yet to go. Looks a lot better. Here, my dog. Yep. Looks good. Finished that burn pile. I could call it a day.